Have you been hearing about print on demand and you're ready to get started with it and you want to open your Etsy shop and you just want to begin your journey? I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly how to do it and how to make that money. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. I am so excited to share with you guys this video today because I am literally telling you how to start making money with print on demand through Etsy. And yeah, you guessed it, it literally takes $0 to get started. So without further ado, guys, we're gonna jump on into it because I know you're here for the good stuff. The number one thing that you need to do before you actually start your print on demand business, you need to do some research. What are you gonna be making and who are you gonna be making it through? You need to choose your print provider and your niche, guys. Yes, a niche. I'm sure you've heard it a million times before, but you've got to pick one area to focus on. You cannot choose to try and talk and sell to everyone because then you're gonna sell to no one. I actually have an entire course on print on demand. So if you want some niche ideas, if you're getting started with print on demand, you have no idea where to start, that's going to be your go-to. It is a mini course all about getting started, what to do, some niche ideas that make a lot of money, and the best things that you can be making on print on demand. Plus I give you a whole tutorial step by step, all of my secrets that I have used to make a successful print on demand business. I will have it linked down below for you guys. It is on sale right now for $50. So go and check it out if you want. It's great. Now that you've actually figured out what you're gonna sell, who you're gonna sell to, and where you're gonna make your items, it is now time to start thinking about the actual business. So you need to think about your branding, what your name is gonna be, and how you're gonna set yourself up for success on Etsy. Etsy is all about branding and all about actually filling in information about your business and who you are as a company. No, this doesn't have to be anything crazy or super fancy, guys. This is just you simply filling out all of the information and taking the time to make your shop look nice. You can make your actual cover photo and your logo on a simple website called canva.com. It's super easy to use and is great for anyone who's getting started on Etsy. So you've got your niche, you've got your items, you know where you're making them, you finally got your store listed on Etsy and you're ready to go. So you start making your products, you start making your print on demand items, you're making these designs. But let's pause. Where are you gonna find these unique designs from? In order to stick out as a print on demand business, you've got to make or find unique designs. And yes, you can buy designs. You can literally find people that will make you designs. And I even share on my course websites that I go to that I purchase bulk order of different t-shirt designs for my print on demand business. It is such an easy way to help grow your shop because you can literally make a ton without having to go through the whole process of creating the designs. And if you're not someone who's super creative and you're not into the whole graphic design thing, or you have no idea how to work Photoshop, all that kind of stuff, that might be your best route to go because you can actually buy a ton of designs in these large packs for you, and it makes your life easy. You have a ton of designs to choose from and it helps build up your brand. The number one thing I can tell you guys about growing on Etsy with your print on demand business is it's going to be what I like to refer to as a numbers game. It is simply, can you create as many possible listings on your Etsy shop while creating high quality designs? Don't think you can just create a bunch of crappy design print on demand that's just not good quality. It needs to still be quality. But how many items can you realistically put out and build your shop up to be? Because it's been proven that the more items you have in your shop, the more sales you make. So if you can actually get yourself to create as many designs as possible, then you should see quite a few sales in your shop. And I'll tell you guys what, the times that my shop has had its most growth has been when I have been creating new listings like this. Daily, guys, creating as much as possible. That is quite honestly my number one tip when it comes to print on demand. Even if you are doing it too on Etsy and stuff, you have got to be creating so many new listings because there are a ton of people out there who are already doing print on demand. You want to stick out. So if you have your unique designs, you know who your niche audience is and where you're creating it, then all you need to do is go, go, go. Create, 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 and don't stop. It's all about numbers. You are likely to only sell 20% of your Etsy shop items. So if you have 100 items, only about 20 of them are going to be selling. However, if you have 200 items, 40 of them are going to be selling. And it keeps on going the more you grow it. Going off of that, though, I think it's really important to note that consistency is also key to doing well on Etsy and to growing your print-on-demand business. If you want to make money with it, you've got to be consistently uploading new designs. Like I said, when I've seen my best growth has been when I've been uploading new designs daily. So if you're not committed to that, that's fine too, but you need to be consistent with your schedule. So make sure that you're putting out new listings weekly or bi-weekly or every weekend or once a month or whatever it is that you can manage. But make sure that you're being consistent with it and you're not just uploading 30 designs to Etsy, leaving it, and then coming back in a month and being like, why haven't I made any sales? Because you haven't been creating new listings consistently. You haven't been showing Etsy that you're serious about this. You truly, if you want to be seeing daily sales on your Etsy shop, and I actually have an entire video about this. If you guys want to go and check it, I'll link it up here for you to go and check out next. But it literally is true that you're not going to be making daily sales on your Etsy shop with like only 20 listings in your shop. You've got to up your number of listings, and I promise you'll start seeing more sales. You need to know you're not going to be making sales if your cover photo stinks, guys. If your main picture for your item is not cute and it's not representative of what the item is at all, people aren't going to buy it. People don't want to buy something that they can't imagine themselves wearing. They can't buy something that doesn't make them feel good or excited when they see the picture. And quite honestly, there are so many print-on-demand items out there that yours might just blend on in if you don't do something to stand out. So for me, I have a brand of kind of what my items look like and what I go to and what I like. And that's just truly what my brand is. And it sticks out among the others because of how it looks and how I stay consistent with my items. I highly suggest using mock-up photos. You can find these on so many different websites, and again, I list them in my course. I have all my favorites on there if you want to go and check it out. It literally does all the hard work for you guys. I share my favorite websites, where I find my designs, where I buy designs from if I'm not feeling motivated or feeling creative and I'm kind of like lacking the creative mode to create my own designs. I tell you all about how I come up with designs that I do make on my own. So like whether I think of them up in my head, where I'm getting inspired from, all these different things. There is no limit to what you can create for your print-on-demand items. So it's totally up to you as the creator and the business owner to figure out where you're going to get them from and use them, guys. Mock-ups truly though show people what the item's going to look like when they receive it. So if you can show them what it looks like on a person, even better. They're going to love to see that because they want to know what it's going to look like when they receive it. Question of the day for you guys. If you have your print-on-demand business already started, please leave a link down below because I want to know. But if not, I want to know, what do you think that you want to sell? And if you're already selling, let me know down below. What do you sell? Because I'm always interested in hearing you guys' stories, what you sell, what your business is all about, and I'm excited to come and check them out. So link them down below because I want to go and see. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a favorite little love over there on your little Etsy shop. So I cannot wait to hear from you guys. I am going to link for you guys a video right here all about making daily sales on your Etsy shop. This is definitely going to be a video that you want to go and check out next for more details when it comes to building up your Etsy shop. I am also going to link my Etsy playlist so you guys can go and see all of my Etsy related videos. I'm also going to put my subscribe button right here for you guys so you can stick around on my channel for more videos just like this one. And lastly, guys, I'm actually going to put my Etsy shop critique service. And without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.